Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today I've got the Dermaflash Dermaplaning tool to test and review with you. So I've been using other dermaplaning tools, but they all feel a bit flimsy. So I was quite keen to put my hand onto this one. This is not PR, I've bought it with my own money and it's quite a hefty price. It's £180. I got it from Sephora. There was a sale on and I got a bunch of other samples, so it was worth spending the money. So I'm gonna test it with you guys today and review it, so hopefully I have put my money to good use. Okay, so let's open the box together. I've just removed the tape. The idea of using a dermaplaning tool is really to remove the peach fuzz, but also it gently exfoliates your skin. You can have the same procedure done with your dermatologist in a clinic. This is just an at-home version. So it's supposed to be improving the skin tone and texture, boost cellular turnover because you are removing a very thin layer of the dead and dull skin, enhance skincare penetration, and makeup glides on like silk. Okay, well, let's see. We're about to find out. It is dermatologist recommended and designed for all skin tone and type. So what's in the box? So this is a bundle. In the box we have it comes with the charger, so you've got a little stand to plug, so that's the charger. You have the 10 ml pre-flash essential skin prep, so this is to apply, I assume, before you start your treatment at home. A little instruction book, and you've got a set of 4 blades extra. 4 blades, and this is the tool itself. I have to say I quite like the look. It's very light, it holds really nicely, and I think this is your button. That must be for the blade, and you've got your power button here at the back. The one I used to use, I've used the different ones. I've used the one from Tweezerman, I've used the one from Makeup Revolution, and they all felt a bit flimsy in the hand. Tweezerman was it looked like a medical tool. I was not a big fan of the look and feel. And for me, when you use tools like this on your face, you really have to trust what you're using. Not that I cut myself or anything, but I felt like it was time for an upgrade. For the charging part, it's a USB plug, so I've put it here on my desk just to see how quick it will charge. This cord comes with the tool, so I guess it's really handy if you're traveling. It's really just a charging point that you need. And to charge it, you see, this is where you would put your blade. And you just slide it at the back, like so. And you see, this is your indicator that it is being charged at the moment. The device is now fully charged. I think it took about just over an hour to be from completely out of charge to be fully charged. And as I was mentioning, it's just a USB cable, so it's perfect when you're traveling. It's easy to bring in your case. So now I've washed my face, so it says with the instruction to use the Dermaflash, the pre-flash essential skin prep. So I've used this. You just apply it on the wet skin, you clean your face with it. It contains salicylic acid. I would imagine it's kind of a very light exfoliating product. And you rinse, and then you let your skin dry, which is the case now. No skincare nothing needs to be applied. So now my skin is fully dry. I'm going to use one of those blades. The only thing I would say, the only downside is each blade is a single use. So not necessarily the most sustainable way, but I fully understand as well that it is just a single use. So I take my device, you slide it in, you heard that click, right, and then you just lift. It does require a bit of manpower, woman power. You're not gonna break anything, it's just because in the case, as you can see, they are locked in. So once you lift it, the blade is well in place here. So before we start, let's just see how, because this is an electronic device, so there is a little vibration. So once you press this power button here, don't know if you can hear the little vibrating noise. So that's level 1. If I press, this is level 2, and a third time it stops the device. So we're gonna get started. I usually start on the side of the cheek. You gotta hold your skin and you go on a 45-degree angle. So we're gonna get started. So as you can see, there is a lot of fluff coming off. And honestly, there's no way you're gonna nick yourself. It is such a good device. This bit is mostly staying on your skin. And you just go small section by small section. So I'm going to continue and come back to you. So I've done my full face and you can see I'm a bit red, so this is just a broken vein. I've not nicked myself anywhere. It's a bit red on the cheeks, but the skin is so soft, it's unbelievable. You can see all the fluff that came down on my top. I left it there on purpose so you guys can see. We all have peach fuzz. It just depends if you're happy to keep it or not. I'm not a big fan because I do have quite a bit of peach fuzz, especially here on the side. And whenever I apply my foundation, it just kind of gets stuck into the hair instead of going onto the skin. So let's see. They are recommending to do it once a week. I think once a week is way too much. So let's see how it grows. It's not supposed, so technically it's not supposed to be growing back even more. And from experience from the other tool I've used, my hair haven't grown more. Like, I don't have a beard or anything. It's really just removing the peach fuzz, and it gently exfoliates your skin as well. And that's it, that's all it does. Is it worth £180? Maybe yes. It's just really easy to handle. I like the little vibration tool in it. It looks good. It's portable. It's a very easy tool. It looks good. I think I prefer to use this as the traditional just hand dermaplaning tool that look a little bit more like a medical instrument. But let's see how, I'll use it a few times and then I'll be able to see if it's really worth the money. But first experience, first impression, yes, more than a no, definitely. And I have a sensitive skin, so I don't have any I'm a bit red, but nothing's hurting. I'm not sore. There's no tingling sensation or anything. It's just as if I've been doing a treatment, and that's it. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go in with my skincare. It's a really good time to layer skincare onto your skin because you've just removed the barrier, you've exfoliated your skin. So now is the good time to come with your moisturizer. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video for today. If you have any questions on the tool or anything related to dermaplaning, exfoliation or skincare, please leave them down in the comments and I will come back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, it would mean the world to me if you do. And you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok where I post daily tutorial and makeup reviews. See you next time. Thank you.